Welcome to Smart Finance School, and today I'm going to walk you through the most complete, beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide on how to invest in 2025, even if you have never invested a single rupee or dollar in your entire life. Think of this video as your personal roadmap, the kind of roadmap nobody gives beginners because everyone online jumps straight into complicated charts, risky signals, and technical terms that only confuse you. But here, you're going to understand everything with pure clarity. So imagine this. You are standing at the beginning of 2025, a year that is moving faster than anything we've ever seen before. Technology is evolving, AI is rewriting industries, global markets are shifting, and opportunities come and disappear in seconds. In a world like this, every day you delay your investment, you lose one more chance to create a better future for yourself. But here's the good news. Investing is not about being rich. It's not about having huge money. It's about starting small and staying consistent. Because the moment you start, your future changes. Before we talk about where to invest, let's talk about the mindset. Because investing doesn't begin with money. It begins with your decisions, your habits, your discipline. In 2025, the biggest danger is not losing money. The biggest danger is not starting at all. People waste years waiting for the perfect time, the perfect income, the perfect opportunity. And in that waiting, years pass, markets move, and the world changes, but their financial life stays stuck. And I don't want that to happen to you. So the first thing you need in 2025 is something called a safety base. A safety base means you are protected, stable, and mentally ready for long-term investing. This includes three important things. First, 3 to 6 months of emergency savings, stored safely, untouched. Second, basic health insurance, because one medical emergency can destroy your entire savings. And third, a small monthly savings cushion, a habit that trains your mind to save before you spend. When you have these three things, you invest with confidence, clarity, and peace of mind. Once your base is ready, your first real investment in 2025 should be stable and simple. Forget about fast profits. Forget about risky shortcuts. The smartest beginners start with index funds and blue chip stocks. Why? Because index funds are beginner-friendly, low-risk, slow but steady money growers. They don't require you to stare at charts. They don't require you to predict the market. They simply follow the biggest, strongest companies, which means they grow over time. Even if you start with small monthly investments, your money quietly compounds month after month. Next comes blue chip stocks, companies that have survived storms, crises, recessions, and still grow steadily. These companies don't make you rich overnight, but they protect your money, increase it slowly, and build a stable foundation for your future. But now comes the part where most beginners make huge mistakes. Crypto. People see hype, trends, Instagram reels, and think crypto is a lottery ticket. It's not. Crypto is a tool, powerful but risky if used without strategy. In 2025, the safest way for beginners is simple. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Invest a small percentage like 10 to 15% of your portfolio. Use secure and reputable exchanges. Turn on two-factor authentication and never, absolutely never, share your recovery phrase with anyone. When used properly, crypto becomes a growth booster, not a gamble. And now we enter one of the most important investment categories of 2025, skills and digital income. Listen carefully. The world is changing. AI is becoming stronger every week. Remote work is expanding across the world, and people who know even one digital skill, such as video editing, AI automation, content creation, copywriting, coding, design, trading, marketing, or data analysis, will earn more in the next 3 years than traditional jobs can offer in 10. So a part of your investment must go into learning skills, because money can grow, but only skills can multiply your income. Invest time in courses, tools, practice, and projects that make you valuable in the digital world. If you want to go even further, consider real-world assets. Small real estate plots, rental properties, agricultural land, or partnership investments are extremely powerful because they bring long-term value and steady income. Especially in fast-growing areas, even a small piece of land today can turn into a major asset tomorrow. But remember, real estate is not about emotion. It's about location, timing, and research. Now let's build your complete 2025 beginner portfolio designed to give you stability, growth, and long-term income. Here's the simplest formula that beginners can use anywhere in the world. 40% index funds, 25% blue chip stocks, 15% crypto, Bitcoin plus Ethereum, 10% savings buffer, 10% skill development, starting a small business. This combination is powerful because it balances everything: safety, growth, risk management, and income potential. You're not putting all your money in one place. You're building a financial machine that works even while you sleep. And the best part? You can start with any amount. What matters is not how much you start with. What matters is that you start, because investing is not emotional, it's mechanical. You create a plan and follow it every single month. You invest consistently, whether the market is high or low. You ignore noise, hype, fear, and trends. You stay focused. That's how beginners turn into investors. That's how small monthly habits grow into long-term wealth. As you're watching this video right now, understand one powerful truth. 2025 can become the year that completely transforms your financial life. But only if you take the first step. Only if you decide today that you're done waiting. You're done delaying. You're ready to build something real. Start small, stay consistent, build your safety base, spread your investments, learn skills, and watch how your entire financial future slowly changes. Your future self, 5 years from now, will look back and say, I'm thankful I started in 2025. This is Smart Finance School. And if you want me to create a personal beginner investment blueprint for you, comment Blueprint 2025, and I'll make a custom plan for you.